Okay, hello everyone. This is Saurabh, and I'm going to give you the solution of question number 101 of Science School question paper 2020, and which is the section in section D, Social Studies. Okay, so who granted East India Company the sole right to trade with the East? And the solution is Queen Elizabeth I. She gave the company the right to trade with the East in December 31, 1600, year 1600. She gave the right to the East India Company. Actually, it was issued through a charter. And what is a charter? It was kind of a written document which has the power of law, or you can say the power of the sovereign authority, and through which one sovereign authority gives another body to do something, some kind of authorization it will give to another body to do some trade or some kind of business on some kind of work. Okay, and question number 102. First Indian woman, okay, first Indian woman to become president of Indian National Congress. Okay, the answer is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu presided in 1925 Kanpur session. Kanpur session of Indian National Congress, and just prior to that in 1924 M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, he presided over the Belagaum session. The Belagaum session, Belagaum, and this was the first and the last time Mahatma Gandhi presided over the session of Indian National Congress. Now here you have to mark the question very carefully, like here it is written that the first Indian woman. That is why the answer is Sarojini Naidu, because Sarojini Naidu is Indian. But if it is written that with the first woman, just first woman, first woman to become president of the National Congress, the answer is Annie Besant. The answer is Annie Besant. Annie Besant presided in 1917, and she was British. She was from London. She was born in London. Thank you. Yes. So the question number 103 is land covered with grass shrubs on which animals can graze freely. The answer is pasture land. In the pasture land, basically, there are grass shrubs are there. What we also call that grasslands. These are between deserts and forest. Between desert and forest, you will always find grasslands. And these are the grasslands. Sometimes it is also called a pastures land because animals are there for grazing. This is not so fertile in nature. Okay. Now question number 104. Name of the first country in the world to develop hydroelectricity. So the first country is Norway. So what do you mean by hydroelectricity? It is the process by which we produce electricity by using the kinetic energy of water. The kinetic energy can also be obtained from the natural flow of the water. The natural flow of the water is used to rotate the turbine, and we can also build dams and use the potential energy of the water here. Now we release it through a tube, and now we can convert this potential energy into kinetic energy and we'll rotate the turbine. Okay, this is how hydroelectricity works. Okay, so the breeding of fish specially constructed tanks and ponds, is known as pisciculture. So the answer is pisciculture. Now, what is agriculture? Where we grow food crops for money, or for our own sustenance we grow food crops. It is called agriculture. Now, what is sericulture? Sericulture is related to silkworm. When we uh, cultivate silkworm in order to produce silk from it, it is called sericulture. Okay, silkworm is involved here. Now, viticulture. What is viticulture? It is the production of grapes. Cultivation and harvesting of grapes. It is called viticulture, because normally viticulture is used to produce wines and different beverages from these grapes and stuff. Thank you. Okay, thank you for watching this channel, and if you like this channel, please do like and subscribe to it. And the rest of the questions I am going to review it in the next video. Thank you.